Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest social media tricks to keep you in the loop. Today, we're tackling a super common question. How can you tell if someone is active on Snapchat in 2025? Whether you're trying to catch up with a friend or just curious about their online status, this guide will make it easy and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First off, Snapchat has evolved a lot by 2025, with more privacy-focused features, but there are still reliable ways to check activity. Start by opening the Snapchat app on your phone and logging in. Once you're in, head over to the chat section. It's the chat icon at the bottom. Here, you'll see your conversations listed. Look for the Bitmoji next to your friend's name. If it's glowing or has a green dot, that often means they're online or recently active. Next, check their Snap score or streaks. If you have a streak with them, an active streak counter can indicate they've been snapping back recently. Another handy feature is the Story section. Tap on the Stories tab and see if they've posted anything new. Fresh stories usually mean they're active and engaging with the app. But wait, there's more. In 2025, Snapchat might show subtle hints like last active timestamps in chats for mutual friends, depending on privacy settings. Remember, not everyone shares their activity, so if you don't see these indicators, they might have it turned off. Always respect privacy, don't overdo it. A few pro tips. If you're on a web version or using Snapchat on a computer, the features might differ slightly, so stick to the mobile app for the best experience. Also, keep your app updated to access the latest 2025 features. And if you're dealing with someone who blocks you, well, you won't see their activity at all. There you have it. Simple steps to spy. Check if someone's active on Snapchat. Give this a try and let us know in the comments if it worked for you. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.